my first. Ooh, it's much bigger. So this is the little emo baby. Flash warning. And oh, he's bigger. So this is the let's see if I have. This is my other one from the cookies. So see the size difference? I thought they were going to be the same size, but no, he's much bigger. I think they were almost the same price. Oh, but I love it. Nice black Grateful Fall to put on basically any kind of bag. So loving him. Oh, and it has like a bean bag filling inside. So yes, I love that. Love flash warning. All right, that's great. Okay, now let's open up one of these earphone cases. This was my first Twinkle Twinkle purchase, and I'm just getting it because they've been on back order. So this was what started my fandom with Twinkle Twinkle. When I saw these, I was like, all right, let's open it up. Oh, look at that. Look, it's so soft and squishy. Oh, the little coffee pup. Let's take a look inside. Lots of room. So definitely can hold more than an earphone case. Let me see if I got something. I see some lip balm can go in there. There's lip balm in there. Some other stuff can go in there. Trying to see what else I got that can possibly fit in here. Some gum. Along with earphone case, some money. So that is little coffee pup. So cute. Thanks for joining me on my unboxing today.